This strategy works on crypto, forex, and stocks, so all you need to do is choose your symbol and set your time frame to 5 minutes. Then in the indicator tab, search for Trader XO Macro Trend Scanner. You can see a series of buy and sell signals and lines, but some changes need to be made. Go to its settings. In the Input tab, change the fast EMA to 14 and the slow EMA to 27. Apply the changes in the Style tab as I did. Here, whenever we see a buy signal, we can place a buy order, and the same goes for sell orders. However, we see many buy and sell signals here, but if we enter those positions, we'll definitely lose money. Therefore, we need another indicator. In the Indicator tab, search for Trend Alert and make the necessary changes in the Input tab. In this indicator, you can see a series of green and red columns and empty areas that show us that we shouldn't open any trades in these points, whether they are buy or sell trades. But when the histogram is green, we are in the buy zone and we can place a buy order by seeing the buy signal on the chart and make good profits. And whenever the histogram is red, we are in the sell zone and we can place a sell order by seeing the sell signals on the chart and make profits.
Buy setup.
As I mentioned, we have a buy signal here and we are in the buy zone on the histogram. We can place a buy order at this point and set our stop loss below the previous low of the market, and risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Again, here we see a buy signal, and according to what I said, you can place your buy order and earn good profits.
Sell setup.
Here we see a sell signal and we are in the sell zone on the histogram, so we can place a sell order at this point and set our stop loss above the previous high of the market, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Here we see another sell signal, and according to what I said, you can place your sell order and earn good profits. Now, let's change our symbol and see trades on Ethereum. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel to see new videos.